Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're signing contracts or approving documents, knowing how to add a digital signature on a PDF can save you a lot of time. First, open your Adobe Acrobat. If you don't already have an account, you will need to register for an account, and I will include the link in the description below. Under Tools, locate, fill and sign, and here you will need to upload your PDF. You can either drag and drop the file here or select the file located on your computer. Here we have a letter of offer which needs to be signed to confirm acceptance and sent back to the recruiter. Over on the left you will see the Add Signature button. Click here. Adobe will now give you 3 different options to add your signature. The first option is to simply type in your name, and this will generate a signature as shown. The second option is to manually sign your signature online. Use your mouse or touch screen to draw your signature. This option can be a bit tricky on the PC, and I would suggest using touchscreen if you want to use this draw feature. The third option is to insert an image of your signature. This can be in JPEG or PNG file. Just keep in mind there are size restrictions, and the minimal recommended size is 60 pixels high and up to 600 pixels wide. If you're interested in creating your own custom business signature, I'll add a link in the description. Let's add an image here and select Save to continue. Now let's align the image with the document. In some cases, you may need to add text. To add text, select where you want to add your text and type in your text. You can change the size if needed, but I will leave this for now. And that's it. Once you're happy with the placement, be sure to save your document by going to the ellipses and then select Save a Copy. You can share the document online or choose to download the file and send it as an attachment in an email. Now you know how to add a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and if you have any questions, please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.